Two hurricanes just started spinning around each other like a cosmic dance. It's called the Fujiwhara Effect, and it happens when two storms get within about 900 miles of each other. Their circulations lock together, and they begin orbiting a shared center point, sometimes for days. If one storm is stronger, it can absorb the weaker one completely, gaining its energy in an instant. If they're similar in strength, they can merge into a single, larger, more dangerous system. Forecasters dread this because it makes storm tracks nearly impossible to predict days out. The path can shift hundreds of miles overnight. This isn't science fiction. It's happened in the Pacific and Atlantic multiple times in the last decade. Send this to the one friend who needs to hear this.